In the previous video, we learned first 20 MCQs. Now we'll see next 20 MCQs. First question: how many kinds of hypervisors are there? Answer is 2. There are two main types of hypervisors. Type 1 that is bare metal, type 2 that is hosted supervisors. Type 1 runs directly on the host hardware while type 2 runs on top of a conventional operating system. Next question. Which one of the following is not an example of the type 1 hypervisor? Try yourself. The answer is VMware Player. VMware Player is a type 2 hypervisor, which means it runs on top of an existing operating system. Type 1 hypervisors like VMware ESXi run directly on the hardware. Next question. Which one of the following is used to call the allocator? The correct answer is dispatcher. The dispatcher is responsible for allocating CPU time to different tasks or processes. It is not used to call the allocator but manages the execution of processes. Next question. The Parallels desktop can be considered as the example of which of the following? The answer is type 2 hypervisor. Parallels desktop is a type 2 hypervisor because it runs on top of an existing operating system, allowing you to run virtual machines on your Mac or PC. Which one of the following can be considered as the example of the type 2 virtual machine monitors? The answer is all the above. KVM, Microsoft Hyper-V, and Parallels Desktop are the examples of Type 2 virtual machine monitors since they run on top of a host operating system. Sixth question. Which one of the following is a type of software that supports the virtual machine? Take your own time and guess the answer. The answer is both B and C, hypervisor and virtual machine monitors. Both hypervisors and virtual machine monitors are types of software that support virtual machines. Next question. The XML based and macro ended file format for Excel 2017 to 2013, which stores VBA macro code or Excel 4.0 macro sheets should be saved with which extension? Answer is .xlsm. Explanation is Excel files that contain VBA macro code should be saved with the .xlsm extension indicating that they include macros. We'll see next question. Which of the following functions will help to find the number of working days between two calendar dates in cloud computing? The answer is network days. The network days function in Excel is used to calculate the number of working days between two given dates excluding weekends and optionally specified holidays. Which of the following groups is not present under the Insert tab in Excel? Take your own time. The answer is sort and filter. The sort and filter options are not typically found under the Insert tab in Microsoft Excel. Sorting and filtering options are usually found under the Data tab. Next question. What is the difference between a Trojan and a virus? The options are a virus replicates itself while a Trojan does not. Option B, they are different names for the same thing. C. None of the mentioned options. Option D. A virus starts as a Trojan and spreads later. The answer is option A. A virus replicates itself while a Trojan does not. Viruses are self-replicating programs that can affect other files, while Trojans are malicious programs that disguise themselves as legitimate software but do not replicate. Next question. Which of the following functions is used to create a drop-down box in selected cells? The answer is data greater than data validation. The data validation feature in Excel is used to create drop-down lists in selected cells. First you click on the data and then data validation. Which one of the following key resides on all stations as in AP and client devices in a four-way handshake, that is pairwise transient key. The pairwise transient key PTK is used in the WPA2 four-way handshake and is established between the access point AP and the client devices to secure the wireless communication. Next question. Which of the following is not the benefit of the cloud if you choose platform as a service? Option A, management of middleware. Option B, all of the mentioned options. Option C, management of data. Option D, management of runtime. All the mentioned options are the benefits of cloud computing, including platform as a service, which serves management of middleware, data, and runtime. Which of the following benefits of the cloud makes it easy for a company with rapid movement to keep the entire system fully functional? Option A, reliability. Option B, collaboration. Option C, automatic software integration. Option D, quick deployment. The correct answer is quick deployment. Quick deployment is one of the benefits of cloud computing as it allows organizations to rapidly set up and scale their IT infrastructure and services. Next question. Which of the following payment options is best suited for small businesses in the cloud? Option A, pay as you go. Option B, pay and use. Option C, pay per use. And none of the options. The answer is pay as you go. Pay as you go pricing is well suited for small businesses as it allows them to pay only for the resources they use, providing flexibility and the cost control. This is one of the advantage of the cloud computing. Which of the following is correct based on the below statements? Cloud offer limited data storage capacity to users. The second option is cloud offer unlimited data storage capacity to users. Option C, in both data center and cloud, there is a third party involved in managing data, but the cloud has more data theft. In both data center and cloud, there is a third party involved in managing data, but the data center has more data theft. The answer is option D. Based on the statements, cloud typically offers scalable and potentially unlimited data storage capacity, and the idea that the cloud has more data theft is a common misconception. Data security concerns can exist in both data centers and the cloud. Next question. The ability to combine name and addresses with a standard document is called. Try it yourself. The answer is mail merge. Mail merge is the process of combining a standard document with data like names and addresses to create personalized documents such as form letters. Next question. The field that covers a variety of computer networks, both public and private, they are used in everyday jobs. Option A, artificial intelligence. Option B, machine learning. Option C, network security. Option D, information technology. It is network security. Network security is a field that covers various computer networks, both public and private, and focuses on securing these networks in everyday jobs. Next question. Network security provides authentication and access control for resources. Try it yourself whether it is true or false. The answer is true. Network security aims to provide authentication and access control for network resources to ensure that only authorized users can access them. Next question, which is not a objective of network security. Option A, identification. Option B, authentication. Option C, access control. Option D, lock. The answer is lock. Lock is not typically listed as an objective of network security. The primary objectives are identification, authentication, and access control to protect network resources. Thank you. In the next video, we'll see the next 20 MCQs.